Today, I'm going to tell you how to make this high protein paneer salad recipe for weight loss. For this, I've taken 1 cup of cucumbers nicely chopped. On top of this, I'm going to add 1 cup of capsicums nicely chopped. Similarly, taking onions nicely chopped. Quarter cup of carrots chopped finely. I'm then going to add close to 100 grams of paneer, preferably in the shape of cubes. I'm going to add some sprouts made out of moong and chana. They're nicely soaked and added. Then I add a teaspoon of salt, some chili flakes, some cumin powder, some chaat masala, and some pepper on top of this. I'm going to also have some lemon juice which is added, which will provide us with some tangy taste. Also add some olive oil to blend all of this, some chopped tomatoes on top of this, some honey, and nicely mix this salad, ensure that they blend well. We then garnish it with some coriander leaves and the salad is now ready.